In this video, we are going to talk about another parts of speech, that is prepositions. Now, as the name says, it is prepositions. Prepositions of noun, pronoun, or anything, maybe verb, because the action is going on, adjective, anywhere you want to place the preposition, that is the place just before noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective. Just before that, you would put something, that is the preposition. Okay, now it is bifurcated into four types. The first one is as distributed by the position of preposition. So for example, we say the pen is on the table, or I would say the box is under the rack. So here under, on is the position. I am telling that particular thing is lying under or on the particular place, that is noun. So on the rack, this is a noun. Again, this is a noun, that is thing. It is a thing, that's why it is a noun. Now we would learn why we are putting the over here and not anything else. We would learn that in the articles. Okay. Now let us talk about the second kind. This was on the basis of position. Now we are going to talk on the basis of direction. So preposition also come on the basis of direction. For example, I tell somebody, I have kept the glass into the box. So into is the direction. Again, up. She is up the stairs. So up the stairs is, again I'm showing the direction, up, down. This is a direction I'm showing it to somebody. Across. You can go to that office. It is across the street. I am again giving the direction for that person to go. So this is in terms of direction. When we are telling something on the basis of the direction, we would add direction prepositions. All right. Let us talk about the third one, that is location. When we are telling somebody location, we use location prepositions like at, in. I am at work. So I am telling my location where I am at now. I am at work right now. In, on. So you can see certain words get repeated. Like here, on is getting repeated on the position as well and on the location as well. Their usage differs. Sometimes I am referring it for the location. Then I also can put on. When I'm referring to the position, then also I can put on. The usage is different. At work, in the office. Again, I'm telling the location. On the terrace. So I am using on to determine my location, where I am at. Okay. The last one kind is the fourth one, which is time preposition. When I am telling somebody a particular time, I would use time preposition. Like I will meet you on Tuesday. So here I am using on as time preposition. I'm telling somebody time. I'm going to meet you at 4:30. So again, I'm using at as time preposition. Okay. Again, I would give you certain example in January. So again, what is this? This is in over here is time preposition. At, I have already used. Okay. So you can see the 50 words, 50 to 55 words list I have shared with you in notes. Along with that, I have shared the sample examples. So you can refer to it. Also, I have mentioned which kind of preposition I am using there. I'm using time, location, direction, position. Sometimes to would be used at two places. TO2 would be used at two places. Sometimes it is location, sometimes it is time. Also from, for. These are the words which are mainly used in different kind of position. So you understand the purpose of it and use the preposition accordingly. So this way I would talk to you in the worksheet and in the next parts of speech. Thank you.